Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Peter's channel, and in my channel I'm going to talk about topics which is of educative value and purpose. Keep watching, keep supporting. Today on the first topic we will be talking about Ruth Bader Ginsberg. So, who is Ruth Bader Ginsberg? Ruth Bader Ginsberg was born in the year 1933 in Brooklyn, New York City. In 1959, she graduated from Cornell University, and in the year 1980, the then President Carter nominated her to the U.S. Court of Appeal to the District of Columbia Circuit. And in the year 1993, President Clinton appointed her to the U.S. Supreme Court. In the year 2010, her husband died due to cancer, testicular cancer. In 1999, she was also diagnosed with another form of cancer, colon cancer, but after treatment and chemotherapy, she eventually beat cancer. So there is a history of cancer recurring again and again to her body, but each time she beats. But eventually, in the year 2020, unluckily, she couldn't beat the cancer and she died of pancreatic cancer, the same cancer that killed Steve Jobs. So now the question is, after the passing away of Ruth Bader Ginsberg, what happens? What happens to the US Supreme Court? Who will be the next US Supreme Court Justice? Will be decided by two factors. Whether the Republicans will be able to put up their nomination to the final stage, or will the Democrats be able to stall this Republican process of nominating their own candidate. So because the history is that in 2016, the same thing happened. In the election year, what happens is the death of Justice Scalia caused a fierce problem between the tussle between the Democrats and Republicans. Obama nominated by the name of Merrick Garland. But eventually, the Democrats were not able to succeed in final nomination of their candidate. Why? Because Republican, because of the numbers in the Senate, stalled the process. So now the problem is, the same thing happens. So in the year 2016, Republicans were saying that we cannot allow this nomination. Why? It was on the premise that it is election year and the next president should be nominating the justice. So the same thing is happening this year around. So Donald Trump, it is reported that he has in mind by the name of Amy Coney. So how far the report might be true, only time will tell, but there's a report, rumors around. So Donald Trump is making up his mind to nominate his candidate for the Supreme Court Justice. But on the other hand, Biden, who is a Democrat nominee, is saying that Republicans, look, you have to abide by the rules you have set for yourself way back in 2016. You can't have double standards. That's the voice of Biden and Democrats now. So, but the thing is, Republicans have the number in the Senate now. So only time will tell who wins over. But one thing is very clear. There is going to be a big fight between Republicans on one side and Democrats on one side. But who wins? Only time will tell. But the biggest question is, will Biden at all be able to beat Trump in this election? That's the biggest question. Guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share this channel. And we'll be back with another episode next Saturday. Until then, God bless you.